Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Madam Sophia. My name is Muhammad Razak Kini bin Ahmad Razi. My matrix number is 2021-86054A. Today, our group going to present about basic proposal for Nawal.
So here are our group members, which consists of Muhammad Rahizat Hakimin bin Muhammad Rozi, Muhammad Iqbal Hakim bin Muhammad Syahrul Nizam, Muhammad Zulfikar bin Azrul Ilham, and also myself, Muhammad Adli Amin bin Muhammad Lutfi Amir.
For introduction, first I will explain the problem and possible solution. Nawal, which is a new student at University Technology Imara, UiTM, needs to buy a new computer to fulfill her academic requirements. For a university student, it needs a computer with storage space, utility software, programming software, authoring software, graphic and a good sound system. Therefore, our group will help her find a computer by provide a clear view of all the components. The computer specification that we recommend for Nawal are the latest and most current version. Some of the components might be quite pricey, but we pay attention to fulfill her needs.
Alright guys, now I'm going to talk about the first computer specification, which is motherboard. For this motherboard specification, you can read here in this slide, we have provided the most significant details that is important. For Nawal, we would prefer Nawal to choose this ASRock A320M HDV motherboard because this motherboard offers several benefits that make it suitable choice for budget conscious user or those who require a basic system setup. Firstly, this motherboard cost effective because the motherboard is an affordable motherboard that provides essential features and functionality without breaking the bank, which means it doesn't cost too much. It offers a cost-effective solution for building a budget PC or upgrading an existing system. This motherboard also provides a wide range of processor options to choose from, including both low-end and high-performance CPU. Besides that, the AM320M HDV, which is the motherboard, support DDR memory with speed up to 3200 plus OCMHz. This will enable users to take advantage of faster memory modules for improved system performance and multitasking capabilities. The motherboard features 4 SATA 3 6.0 GB connectors, allowing for multiple storage devices to be connected, such as hard drive and solid state drive. Overall, the ASRock A320M HDV motherboard provides a cost-effective solution for entry-level and mid-range system level. It offers essential features, compatibility with AMD Ryzen processor, expansion options, and reliable performance, making it a suitable choice for budget-conscious users or those with basic computing needs. So, how much does it cost? So, if now I want to buy this motherboard, it is purchasable at Shopee and an affordable price, which is RM100.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Zulfikar bin Azrul Ilham. My matrix number 2021-204-834. Today I will explain about computer case. The SC, uh, the SCMX 4000 is a high-end M-ATX tower computer case made to fit micro ATX motherboard, which are smaller than conventional ATX motherboard. It has a number of features that make it ideal for constructing a high-performance system in small space. It is important to examine its spec and assure compatibility with individual components such as graphic card, CPU cooler, and power supplies. It also has enough ventilation and good airflow for cooling PC component. Additionally, it has sufficient expansion slot for your needs, and it's only cost RM85 ringgit, which is the cheapest one. It is important to read the product spec and user review to verify it fulfills your needs and it's compatible with the component you want.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amir bin Muhammad Amir. My matrix number is 2021877692. Today I'm going to present about the hardware components that Nawal should choose or should buy for her PC components. The first hardware items that we will look is processor. Okay, Central Processing Unit or CPU is a hardware component of an electronic device that aims to execute instructions on a computer or other electronic device. One of the popular products for CPU includes Intel, and we recommend Nawal to choose the Intel Core i5 12400 processor because it is a deca-core processor with 6 cores and it is equipped with the 18 megabytes of Intel Smart Cache. The graphics processor is also equipped with the Intel UHD Graphics 730 and the maximum resolution of HDMI is 4096 per 2160 at 60 Hz, which allows Nawal to watch movies on her computer with a good graphic condition. The price is affordable for a university students like Nawal, which is as low as 749 ringgit. In short, the Intel Core i5 12400 is the best processor that is suitable for Nawal for her use in studies and also to watching movies.
For system memory, we suggest Nawal use a Kingston Fury Impact DDR5 16 gig. Why? Because the Kingston Fury Impact DDR5 is a system memory is a high performance, affordable upgrade that is compatible with both Intel XMP and AMD Ryzen processor. It has speed up to 4800 mHz, capacity ranging from 8 gig to 32 gig, from single module to 16 gig to 64 gig for kids. And it's compatible with both Intel XMP and AMD Ryzen processor. It has a plug-and-play function, automatic overclocking at speed of 4800 mHz. It is simple and worry-free to uh, upgrade to an Intel or AMD Nawal-based system because it has been 100% speed tested and it's supported for life. And this system memory only costs for RM144 ringgit. So this is a table you can read the specification more detail. For graphic card, we suggest Nawal to use graphic card VRGMPL RX 580. Why? Because this graphic card are circuit board in a PC with specialized hardware advanced for showing excellent graphic at a high speed. They are also useful for professional application like Adobe Photoshop for editing. The VRGMPL graphic card RX 580 provide exceptional performance based on its reasonable price and combining radiation direction, AI enhancing implementation, dormancy reduction technology. It is suitable for Nawal who want to use it for Adobe, Microsoft software, and to watch movie. It also suitable for playing games if Nawal want to spend his free time. The cost of this graphic card in Malaysia is RM279 only.
Okay, the next hardware components that we will look is hard disk. For hard disk, we have choose SSFX HDD because it will bring benefits to Nawal because it can be said to be a class of choice for memory devices because it has a futuristic and light RGB design. In addition, the design of this SSFX HDD also contains futuristic patterns and styles that are suitable for students like now. When we talk about the specifications, the SSFX HDD has a capacity of 1 TB and features a default RPM rotation of 5400 RPM. In terms of performance, the SSFX HDD can provide good expectation for all data transfer that are needs and data backup processes without much hindrance for today's users. This, this hard disk is also able to provide sequential data transfer performance up to 134 megabytes for read speed while 127 megabytes for write speed. This software system support offered by SSFX HDD includes Windows 8, 10, 11, as well as Mac operating system.
For power supply, we suggest Nawal to use Salpido 500 watt professional PC power supply. A power supply is a piece of hardware that gives a computer and other devices power to run. It adapts to the right form and supplies it to the devices in accordance with the current of electricity obtained from a power source such as battery, generator or outlet. In order to prevent overheating, it also regulates the voltage sent to the machine. PSU, which is power supply, is another name for power supply, along with PS or PS. Power supply are graded according to the wattage they can produce. More watt may be sent to the component by a PC, the more powerful it is. The Salpido 500 watt professional PC power supply we selected is the right power supply for Nawal. Lastly, this power supply costs only RM43. So you can read the specification in this table.
Okay, now let's look at the software. Okay, the first one, what is software? Software is a set of instructions, data, or programs that work in operating a computer and perform a certain task. It is a term that used to refer to applications, scripts, as well as programs that run on a device, and it can be considered as the variable part of the computer. There are two main categories of software, include application software and also system software. The other type of software, which is programming software, middleware, and driver software. For students like Nawal who want to use her computer for the purpose of her studies, here is a list of some software that I would like to recommend to her. For operating system, we have decided for Nawal to choose the Windows 11. Okay, Windows 11 is the latest major release of Microsoft Windows anti-operating system, which was launched on 5 October 2021. It is a free to upgrade for users of previous Windows like Windows 10 and is available for any Windows 10 device that meets the new Windows 11 system requirements. Windows 11 also supports touchscreen input where it is available on many Windows machines. And not only that, but it also supports touch gestures to scroll, zoom, and hide as well as shows the windows. Therefore, Windows 11 can be said to be a suitable operating system that no one can consider because, because it can do various things at the same time, such as completing her assignments while watching movies through the various tabs. For authoring software, we have choose Adobe Creative Cloud for now on. Okay, Adobe Creative Cloud, also known as Adobe CC or Adobe Cloud, is a comprehensive collection of desktop software and various Adobe mobile applications. There are more than 20 different fully realized programs included with an Adobe CC subscription. I suggest that now I'll buy this software through the Shopee applications since the price offered in it is much cheaper when compared to the official one. To get access to all the application in Adobe, no one only needs to pay 224 and 90 cents ringgit to get all-in-one package that contains all the applications that are available in the Adobe Creative Cloud, such as Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, as well as Adobe InDesign. For utility software, we have choose Microsoft 365 for now. Microsoft 365 is a subscription service that ensures one has the latest modern productivity tools from Microsoft. The plans are divided for personal and family use, business, enterprise, and education. This software also allows Nawal to use every application that are contained in Microsoft for the purpose of her studies. With the availability of Microsoft 365, Nawal no longer needs to download all the applications one by one, such as Microsoft Word or Microsoft PowerPoint, because all those applications are already in this software. Therefore, I suggest that Nawal to take the education plan because she is a student who needs to use the applications such as Words and PowerPoint to do her assignments. For antivirus software, we have decided for Nawal to choose McAfee antivirus software because it is one of the best and most famous antivirus software that we have in the world. Okay, this software works to protect users from malware and is specially designed for computers that run Microsoft Windows and Mac operating systems. Through McAfee Antivirus, it offers real-time protection, detecting as well as removing virus, worms, trojans, spyware, adware, malicious keyloggers, and also auto DLS, as well as detecting and removing the rootkits. The price that Nawal has to pay for this plan is at 86 ringgit and 50 cents for 1 year of subscription. With this antivirus software, Nawal no longer needs to worry about the security of every file or work that she has done because its security is guaranteed through McAfee antivirus. She can also enjoy watching movies without any interruption from the unfounded advertisements. And lastly, we also want to suggest Nawal to use the Canva Pro application because this software provides a variety of interesting design templates that Nawal can use in order to completing her tasks, especially in making presentations. In addition, the application also allows Nawal to share the tasks that she is doing with her friends by simply pressing the share button that are located in the upper corner of this application. By using Canva Pro, now one can also access and edit all the templates uh, that in this application without any obstacles. Now one can get this application on Shopee for as low as 2.99 ringgit. Therefore, it is very clear that this application can have a great impact on Nawal in completing her assignments.
Next, I will talk about input device. There are 5 components that we recommend for Nawal, which is Royal Clash RK68, Logitech M330 Silent Plus, Sony ECM LV1, Logitech C310 HD webcam, and Kingston Data Traveler 100G3. Okay, so first we take a look for the Royal Clutch RK68 keyboard. We suggest this keyboard for Nawal because among the other keyboards, this keyboard is very suitable for students to study. This keyboard from RK Switch is an all-rounder since it is good for students who use keyboard a lot to type and do assignments. It brings Bluetooth and RGB lighting and comes with 2 colorways, which is black and white. It also a clean looking aesthetic that makes the user can add color through the RGB lighting as it has tone of effect to choose. Besides that, this keyboard has an interesting wireless features that is able to connect to 5 devices. This keyboard is reasonably priced for students and has all the features that the student needs. The price of this keyboard is 149 ringgit. Next is mouse that we suggest for Nawal, which is Logitech M330 Silent Plus. This mouse is appropriate for Nawal because she will utilize Adobe in addition to her computer to do her assignments. Additionally, wireless, this mouse has a ton of features, so Nawal does not need to remove it from the USB. It will be simpler for Nawal to travel with it. It also provides advanced comfort for the right hand, excellent accuracy, long battery life, and broad compatibility, all while reducing over sound level comparison between Logitech M330 and the other mouse. This is suitable for students like Nawal, as she can concentrate and provide a quieter environment when doing assignments. This will make Nawal more stay focused on the assignment without noise distractions. And this mechanical mouse is only 35 ringgit and 19 cents. Next, we go to the Sony ECM LV1 microphone. As we know, microphone is necessary for students like Nawal to record presentation online. It is useful to use microphone while present so that the quality and voice becomes stronger and clearer. We recommend the Sony ECM LV1 microphone for Nawal because it is a lavalier mic that is small, unobtrusive, captures clear, and it is also provide high quality sound from all directions via 2 omnidirectional capsules. Additionally, it has a windscreen that is intended to lessen the influence of white noise. Not only that, but this microphone from Sony is also flexibility. It has the 360-degree rotatable clip that allow microphone attachment in a variety of different orientations. For example, Nawa can attach a clip to her shirt or blazer during a presentation. And the price of this lavalier mic is 119 ringgit. For webcam, we recommend the Logitech C310 HD webcam for Nawal. Nawal needs a web camera to help her record video, presentation, and so on. So we choose this Logitech HD webcam C310 for Nawal because it is the cheapest webcam that reliable, good quality webcam for daily use. It is capable of presenting images that are clearer and better looking visuals. Additionally, it offers very good image quality for a price which is suit her need. And most important, despite the resolution is not very high, it is actually an advantage for her if she has an internet connection that struggles with high definition video. It provides a mic that comes with noise reduction capabilities to make sure that even in noisy environment, Her voice can be heard clearly from up to 1.5 meters away. Hence, this webcam is suitable for Nawal for visual meeting or presentation because it has many advantages even with the cheapest price which is only 89 ringgit. As we know, Nawal is a university student who really needs a large storage capacity to store her assignment and files. Therefore, we recommend this Kingston Data Traveler 100 G3 to her because this pendrive comes with a large capacity storage with low price that suits her needs. In addition to providing user with a portable flash memory storage device that comes with USB 3.1 Gen 1 in a sleek and minimalist design. This practical and simple pendrive from Kirsten is also easier for Nawal because she merely needs to slide it open and connect it to her PC because it does not have a cable attached to it. Furthermore, this pendrive delivers USB 3.0 speed and has capacity range up to 256 GB of space to hold the file and documents. And this pendrive costs only 9 ringgit and 69 cents. Next, we go to the output device. There are three components that I will suggest for Nawal, which is HP M24F FHD monitor, Logitech Z407 Bluetooth computer speaker with subwoofer, and Anker Soundcore Live Q30 headphones. First, we go to the HP M24F FHD monitor. This monitor is one of the best budget options that we recommend for Nawal to watching a movie. This monitor is great for watching movies or for university assignments because it comes with Full HD 23.8 inches screen size. Apart from the big screen, the screen is also quite clear with good refresh rate, which is 75 Hz. Furthermore, it provides some features such as AMD FreeSync technology to eliminate stuttering in fast pace while watching movies. Also, this monitor from HP also designed a very thin 3-side bezels to make it look sleek and interesting. Next, they provide features that enable the user to customize display center with the software that lets Nawal tailor her settings, partition screen, and even dim the screen. For students who use the computer a lot to do assignments and so on, like Nawal, that may worry about her eyes that are exposed to the monitor for a long time, this product from HP offers HP IR-Ease features that always on blue light filter that keeps eyes comfortable with zero impact on color accuracy. And for a budget monitor that only costs 409 ringgit, it has the perfect performance. Next, we go to the speaker from Logitech, which is Logitech Z407 Bluetooth with subwoofer. Nawal is strongly advised to listen to the speaker since it will probably match her likes and interests. With 80 watts of power and superior digital signal processing, it creates rich and vibrant sound. Nawal can alter the sound and appearance thanks to the wireless control dial and the dual position speakers. She can also adjust the volume and bass from a distance. As a space-saving measure, Nawal may tuck them under her monitor. Additionally, Nawal may rapidly select between Bluetooth, micro USB, 3.5mm input, and all the three of them simultaneously for connections. And the price of this speaker is 299 ringgit. Last but not least, we recommend a headphone from Soundcore, which is Anker Soundcore Live Q30 headphones. This is one of the best budget headphones recommended for students like Nawal because it has a lightweight, breathe is tight, and it is wonderfully comfy to wear. Besides that, it has solid sound quality and noise cancelling. As a student, these features are very necessary for Nawal to do assignment and so on without any noise interference from outside. Not only that, but its battery life is also very impressive. The Life Q30s offer a whopping up to 40 hours of listening time on a single charge, and that's even inclusive of using active noise cancelling. With this, Nawal can use it while doing assignment for a long time without having to charge it frequently. And this headphone cost is RM269.
Now, let's talk about the pricing consideration. Okay, for us, Nawal will absolutely can afford this whole PC setup, which is only RM3,292.28. Just to be clear, that the part that Nawal should be spend the most money is on the hardware setup, because on hardware setup it will cost at least RM1,540 in total, only for the hardware. Okay, only for the hardware. And the most least spend of money is on the computer case, or we call it as a PC cover. The PC cover or the computer case which will only cost RM85. If you guys want to see our pricing consideration for each computer specification like motherboard, computer case, hardware, software, input device, and output device, you all can see here in the table above. We have tried our best to find the lowest price yet the best performance for Nawal and whoever want to build a low range to mid range PC setup.
Last but not least, conclusion. Nawal should invest in a comprehensive set of outstanding computers, such as the motherboard, computer chassis, hardware, software, input devices, and output devices. The computer may be expensive for a student, but it will worthwhile if she can do all of her course chorus without suffering difficulty such as overheating, lagging, or virus assault. Therefore, Nawal should invest in this recommended computer specification to ensure her computer experience is both enjoyable and convenient. That's all from me. Thank you.